Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are fishing again today, same place. All right guys, I got this new bait right here. It looks like a fish. Let's hope I can catch a bigger fish. All right guys. Now we sit back and wait for nothing because nothing's gonna happen. So I've been sitting here thinking, like, I think I'm just gonna go to the store and buy a fish. I'm really out of options. I'm getting hungry. It's been months since I've caught a fish. So yeah, I'm just really tired of eating grass. Watching Austin cast. Yep, 5 points. Meanwhile, just sold binoculars on Facebook Marketplace. So if you guys ever need like shoes, binoculars, whatnot, I'm plugging my Facebook Marketplace right now.
Whoa, where'd she go? There she is. Look at that. Not bad.
Yeah, there's nothing actually. I don't even know.
Okay. Actually, wait, Luke.
Austin, tell him what happened.
What? Right now?
You caught a rock.
I did. Shut up, man. Maybe he's just a really fat bass. I don't know.
Really fat bass. Oh, it's real.
Oh!
Wow, that bass is dense as hell. This goose walking up on me, bro. Buenos dias, goose. Yeah, guys, even though I lost today, I still won because I sold those binoculars. There's a goose right there.
Yep.
Austin got excited. He caught another rock. Austin, why don't you show him what you caught? Well, I can't go home empty-handed. Oh, he sees me.
This is God's sport right here. Yep. Good stuff.
Yep, okay. 5 more points. Wow, you're on 10 points now. Wow, that's not too bad. The only problem why we're losing is because this guy at the very end of the lake is out fishing us right now.
3 people in a lake of this size? On completely different ends of the lake? No. No wonder they're not biting. It makes sense, really.
It does. We should go make him pay for it. No, I'm sorry. Still out here fishing. I think I've actually lost it. Lost the will to live. You know, fishing is a scam.
Okay.